Hi guys, this is my Mother's Day special recipe.
So the recipe starts by first marinating the chicken and we need to marinate it for 1 hour. Then we dry coat it. Then the dry coating needs to be fried. Once the chicken is ready, then we need to put on the gravy. So we first put something garlic and chilies and ginger and then
So that's chili chicken and fried rice for you guys. Hope you enjoy it.
But why are you making these videos?
Firstly, I love cooking. And second, for the chili chicken, we'll cut the chicken in cubes and then we'll marinate it. For the marination, we'll add green chilies, garlic, and ginger paste. Juice of 1 lemon and salt as per taste. After marinating the chicken for 1 hour, now we'll add 3 tablespoons of corn flour to dry coat the chicken and then we'll fry it. The dry coating is done. It's time to fry the chicken. Fry the chicken on medium flame and just don't overcrowd the pan because they might stick together and the coating might fall. Fry till they are golden brown or until they look like this. It should look like this from inside. For the chili chicken gravy, we'll add 2 teaspoons of oil. As the oil is hot, we'll add garlic, chilies and ginger finely chopped. And we'll saute it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now the garlic, chilies and ginger are sauteed. Now we'll add 4 onions sliced. As you can see, the onions are translucent. At this stage, we'll add capsicum. This is 1 big capsicum sliced. After sauteing the capsicum for 2 to 3 minutes, make a well like so in the pan and add soy sauce, red chili sauce, tomato ketchup and Szechuan sauce. And while adding all the sauces, keep the flame low. After cooking the ingredients for 2 to 3 minutes, we'll add 1.5 cup of water. Add salt as per taste. Add pepper. So now the water is boiling. Now we'll add the corn flour slurry. Now the gravy is simmering. let it simmer for 2 minutes, then we'll add the chicken pieces. Now we'll add the chicken pieces in the gravy. We will just keep the chicken pieces in the gravy for 5 minutes so they infuse the flavor inside them. Now we have cooked the chicken in the gravy for 5 minutes. Now it's time to turn off the gas and your chili chicken is ready. For the fried rice, we need to first boil the rice. So we have boiling water over here. Add salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of oil and rice. We'll give it a stir and we'll cook it until they are 70% done. For the fried rice, we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger, garlic and chili paste. Then we'll add the white part of the green onions, which is roughly chopped, and saute it for 2 minutes. Now we'll add the vegetables. Half a capsicum, 1 carrot diced, and some cauliflower. You can add the vegetables according to your preference. Now we'll add salt as per taste. Add the salt only for the vegetables and not for the rice, because we had added the salt before while cooking the rice. Saute the vegetables only for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook the vegetables because we want that bite in that vegetable. After sauteing the vegetables, we'll add the sauces into the vegetables. So here goes red chili sauce, soya sauce, Szechuan sauce and ketchup. And we'll give it a mix. Now we'll add the rice and gently mix it.